Today, we're diving into how to backtest and optimize your commission plans right inside Spiff. Understanding how changes affect your sales team's payouts before you implement them is crucial for maintaining motivation and accurate budgeting. Spiff provides powerful tools to model and refine your compensation strategy with real data. To start, navigate to the Commissions tab and select the plan you want to test. Look for the backtesting feature. Spiff allows you to take historical transactions and run them through a modified version of your current or proposed plan. You can adjust parameters like rate structures, accelerators, or thresholds without impacting live data. Run the test and immediately see the results. Spiff generates a side-by-side comparison, what was paid versus what would have been paid under the new plan. This comparison is vital for spotting unintended consequences or confirming that your changes align with your goals, whether it's increasing payouts for a specific product or ensuring fairness across territories. Once you've backtested, you move to optimization. This feature helps you refine your plan based on the data you've gathered. Spiff can use algorithms to suggest optimal plan settings that align with your business objectives, like maximizing sales performance within a target payout budget. For example, if you want to increase the sales of a high-margin service, the optimization tool can suggest the ideal commission rate structure to drive that behavior while keeping total spend predictable. Use the scenario planning tools to input different budget constraints or performance targets and let Spiff model the most effective plan. Review the suggested changes and their projected impact on overall compensation and sales achievement. After you're satisfied with your optimized plan, implementing the changes is straightforward. You can create a new version of the plan directly from your optimized model. This structured approach ensures a smooth transition and maintains an audit trail of all changes. Review all components one final time to confirm accuracy. Once everything looks right, you publish the new plan. Spiff automatically handles the transition, ensuring all future transactions are calculated using the new, optimized commission structure. This continuous cycle of testing, optimizing, and deploying is the key to maintaining a highly effective and motivating compensation program. Mastering Spiff's backtesting and optimization capabilities gives you the control and confidence to build best-in-class commission plans that motivate your sales team and drive your business forward. Thanks for watching.